Tip for the day. For all riders, make sure that you wear proper riding gears. It is very important. Even if it is a bit expensive, it is worth it. If you are a lifetime rider, make sure you have one. If not, you can even hire it, you can rent it out. So make sure you have your proper riding gears. So about my riding gears, I am wearing a proper riding jacket. You can see I am wearing a knee pad and a proper boots. I also have proper gloves and helmet. These are very important. So guys, it's time to leave this beautiful city, Chandigarh. We couldn't explore Punjab much. Maybe for that we will have to come back again exclusively for Punjab vlog. There are so many beautiful places to be seen here as well. But right now we are more focusing on the bike ride. So on the way, let's see if there are any nice places. We will try to explore those areas as well. And I am right now leaving Punjab with a heavy heart because I like the city a lot. The climate is too nice. The people are too good. They are actually highly enthusiastic, fun-loving people who has lot of interest for music and dance. They are great vehicle lovers too. And the main thing is that if you are in help, they are there to help you out. We didn't feel that we are new to this place because people were so welcoming and warm, yaar. They didn't feel us like we are strangers to this place. Everyone were there to help us. They suggested nice food, nice dhabas. Whatever we asked, even while we were heading towards Himachal, they gave us good advice, like what all to be taken care and all. So such welcoming and warm people Punjabis are, and I'm really going to miss this place. So now we are on the way to Himachal. Now the answer for your question, where in Himachal are we going to? Okay, no more suspense now. I'm going to break the suspense. We are heading towards Shimla, the beautiful hill station in Himachal. But we are not sure what are going to come on the way. Will there be any obstacles? We are not sure about anything. We know the climate is going to be extreme, but still we are going to try it out. I know you guys are also traveling with us. If not really, at least virtually you are with us, guys. So hope all your love, support and prayers are with us. So hopefully there won't be much obstacles on the way. Let's continue this beautiful ride towards Shimla. We need not even switch on the Google Maps as of now because everywhere we could find signboards. Wow, we can see fog already. Punjab itself is full of mist, but there we can see huge mountains. And the visual is not really clear because it's full of fog. Wow, it's really a scenic beauty, yaar. Towards the Shimla road, we could find this stall. Let's see how much they are charging for two-wheelers. See, there are so many people who have come by car. I'm sure there will be so many bike riders too. I think it's free for two-wheelers. Yeah, it's free for two-wheelers. Majority are going by four-wheelers. Wow, how beautiful it is. See, I'm not sure if you are able to see through my GoPro, but from here we can see a very nice and beautiful misty mountain ranges. If we are going towards that area, I'm sure we are going to be chilling. We'll be shivering for sure, guys. It is going to be an extreme climate. Punjab itself, it's like a chilling cold. We can imagine how it is going to be in Shimla. But we are all prepared. You can see a military person. So when we are near the borders, we can see many of those military people. Huge respect to them, huge salute to them. They are really great. They are working in extreme climates only to protect us. So always respecting them, huge respect, huge love for them. Just imagine once in a while when we are going for this picnic, how much extreme climate we have to face, and imagine them, they are continuously living, working for us in those extreme climates, be it deserted areas, be it extreme snowy areas, everywhere. They're sacrificing their lives only for us, only for our happiness, guys. So always remember that, and always have huge respect for soldiers. So we just crossed the toll towards Himachal Pradesh. Yay! And we are entering another state, Himachal Pradesh. I have no words to explain how beautiful the ride towards Himachal Pradesh is from Chandigarh. And it is roughly around 100 kilometers only, but it will take more time because it's more of kart roads. I'm not sure how much justice a camera can do to the actual beauty of this place, but I'm trying to copy whatever I'm seeing. Guys, it is not really easy for me also to copy all these in camera, but I'm doing this only for you guys, and I feel that you guys are also traveling with us, so I don't want you to miss any of the beautiful views from here. Because I have gloves, but if I wear it, I cannot hold the camera properly, and switching on and off is quite tough. So I've removed the gloves as of now, only for you guys to enjoy the beauty here. See, everywhere you can see the signboards. So it is easy for travelers like us. Actually, the roads are well maintained. The shop wallas are waving at us. Wow, see the guard roads and the view from here. It's amazing. Once in a while, I think everyone has to plan such trips, such unplanned trips to these kind of beautiful places. Believe me guys, it is going to be really amazing. Plan it according to your budget. Stay happy. Go on a ride however you are comfortable, but make sure you don't miss these kind of travels. It will give you a lot of positive energy and happiness. So guys, here goes an example of whatever I said right now. These kind of people are really motivating. See, I can see a person riding a bicycle. See how motivating it is. Wow, truly we should appreciate such people. We are lucky to find such people on the way. When we think a lot of comfort, see, they are using bicycle, they are taking it as a thrill and adventure. That's what life is. That what actually fills in a lot of positive energy and motivation for others as well. Petrol is 81 rupees here per liter. Tip for the day: keep drinking lot of water at regular intervals during your travel, so that you might not feel dehydrated. In this climate you don't really feel like drinking, but make sure you take lot of water. So what we have done is we have filled in Electrol ORS in this bottle, so that it will give you extra energy. Do regular warm-ups. Take a break every 1 hour. Do warm-ups so that you don't feel strained and your muscles will be relaxed. So we reached the place called Solan. It is a small town. From here we had to take the left turn. So after Solan, once you travel a little more, on the right side you can find this beautiful restaurant, Winsome Hill. As mentioned here, the most scenic views in town. So you will get a beautiful scenic view from here. I could find my first snow. Even if it is not really close, I'm so happy, feeling so delighted to see. Don't know when I can see it near to me. See the scenic view from here. Look at this. Oh god, it is so stunning. It's like some corn ice cream.
तीन बटर रोटी और एक चिकन मसाला।
Having hot chicken mango soup in this climate. Oh, I cannot say how good it is. How warm I'm feeling, I can't say that. Too good. Butter roti and chicken masala. Butter roti is very soft. As always, very good. So you can come try this restaurant and have a good time out here. दिल ने ये कहा है दिल से मोहब्बत हो गई है तुमसे मेरी जान मेरे दिल भर मेरा एतबार कर लो जितना बेकरार हूँ मैं खुद को बेकरार कर लो मेरी धड़कनों को समझो तुम भी मुझसे प्यार कर लो ला 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 I can feel the terrain keeps changing. Earlier it was kind of a green mountain everywhere. Coming forward I can see kind of a sandy mountains. There are so many monkeys also. And those monkeys, it has lot of fur. It's their natural jacket. Poor animals, they should also stay warm like us, right? We are reaching our hotel, Hotel Dhruv. It's Christmas time, so most of the hotels are charging double as usual. We had made our booking through Go Ibibo, so this looks like a good hotel. They have ample parking also here. The reception area is too beautiful, with the Santa Claus caps hanging, the balloons, the Christmas tree. So we signed a COVID self-declaration form. Hello. Now the most awaited session, room tour. See how nice the cupboards are. Lot of space. And a good mirror. And a beautiful spacious room. I love the sofa. It is giving a snowy texture. And see this here, it's nice, no? And we have a heater also here, which is very much required. And now let's see the washroom. Look how clean it is. It is really spacious. Altogether it's well equipped. They're giving lot of amenities. Body lotion, shampoo, shower wash, soap, everything, shower cap as usual. So it's already 4 o'clock. Now we are not planning to go anywhere outside. We had booked a package of breakfast and dinner included in that. About food, the places here, everything we'll be showing to you tomorrow. So wait for my next episode. It's time for me to sign off from the current episode. I hope you liked the video. Take care guys. Please do click on the like button. Comment, provide your comments in the comment box. And as always, my request is if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to Anju Dev Vlogs.